Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out a pair of wireless earbuds from Gamory. Before we get started though, thank you to Gamory for sending these in for review, and full disclosure, the opinions you'll hear in this video are entirely my own. Nobody's going to be reviewing this video before it goes up, so you should be the first ones to see it. And if you're interested in taking a look at these pair of headphones at any time during this video, I'll leave a link to them down in the description box below. Now, I know these earbuds look like a certain pair of earbuds from a certain company, but believe me, I'm going to be reviewing these for what they are. And really, the whole reason why I review these kinds of products is just so that if there's people out there that don't have a lot of money or can't really justify spending more than $100 or even $200 on a pair of wireless earbuds, can still have a chance at getting some decent quality earbuds without breaking the bank. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. Now, the front of the box has the picture of the earbuds there. They do say FlyBuds, true wireless earbuds, but they are Gamory, or at least that's what on Amazon they're listed as. And flipping it around, there's really nothing on the tops or the sides, it's just blank. But on the back side here, it's got a pretty vague little product description here. They are IPX6 waterproof. You can use Siri, Google Assistant, and all these other assistants. And all the other stuff there is pretty vague and pretty standard among Bluetooth earbuds. Now, one thing they should have added onto there is that the earbuds have a total battery life of 25 hours. You get 5 hours total with the earbuds, and then once they die, you put them in the case. The case has 20 hours, so in total it's 25 hours. So I've been using these earbuds for the last week, so of course they're outside, so I'm going to go ahead and set these aside. But everything inside of here should be as you should get it in the box, new in box. And the headphones sit there, and then inside the box in a little pouch, which for me has already ripped, it comes with extra ear tips. They come with the small and the large, and it comes pre-installed with the mediums. I've already replaced them with the small size because that's the size that best fits me, but you do get replacement ear tips in case you want them. And then you get the little charge cable here. I gotta hand it to them. They do use USB-C charging, which is very nice that they do include this. I still reviewed a couple of headphones, or one pair of headphones last year that still had USB, micro USB or whatever it is. They haven't made the switch over to USB-C for those, but inside you get a little gift card here, or apply for a gift card. I don't really do these that much because they ask for too much information, because you have to send your receipt, and then they have to approve you and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And then you get a user manual, which I didn't really use for these pair of headphones because I wanted to see how easy they were to use without it. But you may want to check this out if it's your first pair of wireless earbuds, just so that you get the hang of how these work and what everything does. They do show you how the little buttons work, charging ports, make sure you keep them clean and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. And then a little card here that just says to take your precautions, to use the original charging cable and stuff like that. And here is the case with the earbuds already inside. It's a very nice little capsule design. It's very soft touch, and because it's white, it's not really going to show any scuffs or anything like that. And that's the back hinge there. Opening it up, there are the earbuds there, and you can see the very faint light there. That's the battery indicator. There's 4 lights in total. Right now there's 2 because, like I said, I've been using these for the last week. I haven't had to charge them, so I guess the battery life is pretty good on them. And this is what the earbud looks like. You can already see there's a little green light there that's flashing because it's trying to connect to my Bluetooth device. But this is what the earbud looks like. It kind of looks like a mixture of an AirPod Pro and AirPod regular. And that's the little earpiece there. And removing the ear tip there, you can see the barrel there in case you're interested in taking a look at that. I feel like it's a standard size earplug. And you can see that there is like some sort of mesh covering the inside of the earbuds, so it's not really going to get full of crud or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in there. And they only go in one way, and they are magnetic, so they're not really going to go anywhere. And once you close the case, you are going to get that little battery life indicator there. Now, one thing I'll note is that it does stay on for a little longer than I would like it to. It just stays on there for like a good 2 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and give you some audio samples with the little microphone that it has, and then we'll cut to the final review. Before we hear some audio samples from the microphones on these earbuds, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect them up to Bluetooth. So for that, I'm going to be using my iPhone, and make sure you're in Bluetooth settings and have that turned on. And go ahead and take out the earbuds. Usually at this point I put them on, but I'm going to go ahead and set them aside for now. And they should show up here on your Bluetooth other devices. They should be the Fly earbuds or FlyBuds Just tap that and wait for them to connect. And once they're connected, you're free to go listen to all the music you want or videos and stuff like that. 5 years ago, my family and I went on a camping trip over the summer. And my cousin, he likes to take his dogs just in case there's raccoons or animals at night. They bark at them. But one night the dogs wouldn't stop barking, and eventually my cousin went outside with my uncle just to check it out. But much to his surprise, there was a man walking around outside wearing night vision goggles. And that's not the strangest part of the night, but rather they kept calling on the person and asking them what they were doing at the campsite. And that person didn't even acknowledge them, didn't turn, didn't say anything, just kept walking straight. Now, my uncle swears by it, but he swears that he turned around that night just to go back inside his tent, and he faced somebody that he recognized from a long time ago, stare at him in the face, and then eventually walk right through him. And that's one of the scariest stories that we can tell at the campsite. So after using these earbuds for the last 2 weeks now, I do have to say I've been pleasantly surprised with the overall sound quality that the earbuds produce, but they do fall a little short when it comes to the microphone and the overall build quality for the case. Now when it comes to the microphone, I did record the audio sample you heard in the Voice Memos app, and I made sure to record it in uncompressed ALAC format, so no sort of presets or filters were applied to it, at least in the app. All of that noise reduction you heard in the microphone test was done by the earbuds themselves, which means that these earbuds, at least the microphone, it's not really good enough for anything besides video conferencing and even phone calls. Don't expect to be making any TikToks with these microphones, or at least any other sort of video. Now when it comes to the earbuds themselves, they sound fantastic and they fit really well in the ears, but that's after I applied my own custom equalizer preset, because out of the box they do have more of a mids to highs in terms of sound profile, so it's a little more trebly. But if you do choose to go the route of a preset equalizer or even a custom equalizer preset, turning up the bass a little, you'll find that it's able to handle them just fine, and that's exactly what I did. I did turn up the bass just a little bit and maybe even brought down the highs and the mids just to get that sound quality that I'm looking for, and it's able to handle it just fine. And I've had a pair of headphones in the past where it didn't even handle the bass just at all. I would turn it up all the way and it wouldn't even respond to it. So it's nice to report that these earbuds here do handle equalizers just fine. Now in terms of the build quality for the case, it does fall a little short. It feels really cheap, especially when you're opening it and closing it. Now the earbuds that these mimic, you can tell that they put a lot of effort into the hinge, because when you open it, it feels very smooth, but when it comes to this one here, you can actually feel it wiggle, and it rubs against something from the hinge here. It's very cheap feeling, and honestly, I have to be very careful with it because I feel like I can snap it open. But if you can get over the build quality of the case and even the microphone, you've got yourself a pretty good pair of earbuds here for a really good price. Now you may be asking yourself, how's battery life on these? And I have to say, it's actually pretty good. It's actually, I did get the reported amount of battery life out of these earbuds. And if you do have to charge them, I do love that they include that USB-C charging port there at the bottom. And they didn't go with the micro USB. They stuck to what everybody else is doing with that USB-C. But one cool feature they could add in the future is perhaps maybe wireless charging, if they can manage to fit something like that into a case like this, just so that we can charge wirelessly. But it's nice that they do at least include that USB-C. Now in conclusion here, if you can get over the build quality of the case and the microphone, if you're not going to be using it at all or don't really plan on using it beyond phone calls, you got yourself a pretty good pair of earbuds here that sound great. They fit really good in the ears, and they handle equalizers just well, even though their sound is a little more high to mid-range to high in terms of their profile. So if you want to check these out, I'll leave a link down below in the description box below. Thank you to Gamery for sending these in for review. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the video, leave it in the comments section below. I also have my email in the description box if you want to send me an email. So with that said, thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.